Mkuu ni aje bwana?
Poa sana.
Kwa majina unaitwa nani?
Naitwa Sylvester Duncan, a Kenyan citizen.
You are a Kenyan citizen?
Yes.
Welcome to Omuse TV.
Thank you guys.
Tupige story kidogo about our country. Sai tu bana. What is your idea about the increase of fuel?
Oh, by the way, I've had the increment, the initial increment of the fuel. So in my side, me naona like it's negatively affecting us as Kenyans because like you know the increment of the increase in fuel increases the bus fare.
Yeah,
and
sure.
Me as a peasant, as a common mwananchi, I'm suffering down here because I have to pay fare way more than the normal card, right? So meaning that I'm suffering and
okay, if you've now been given a chance to advise the government,
I'll tell the government like they should find a way to utilize the available resources to make sure that we are not suffering as citizens, and also find a way to make sure that not only by cutting the price of the fuel, but also you know you should just find a way.
The government should find a way to.
We are the responsibility of our government.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Because we are the one who brought that government to that leadership.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Duncan, to come to our interview. This is Omuse TV and uko kadi?
Niko kadi.
2027 uko tayari?
Very ready.